Hello children. So the topic name is area of bounded regions. So area of the bounded regions. So what is this area of bounded regions? In this topic mainly from mains and advanced level problems we have these four types of concepts. The first one is area of the bounded curve with the x-axis. Now second one is with the y-axis, and between two curves, area bounded between two curves and inequality based problems. So we will get these four types of problems in the area of the bounded regions. So now let us see how to get the formula, how to understand the problem with some examples with the formula derivations. Okay. Now first let us see how many types of problems, how many types of models comes with the area bounded with the x-axis. Okay, the curve with the x-axis. So here we have these three types of concepts. The first one is this one. Okay, so let us see, this is a curve y is equal to f of x. It might be like this. Clear? Or else the curve may come down this side under the x-axis like this, or the curve may intersect in both the up and down. So in this case what is the area? So if you see here, suppose this curve is intersecting the x-axis at two places, that is A and B, then the area bounded by this curve with the x-axis is this part. Clear? This part. Now you are taking the limits with respect to x-axis, and this is the curve y is equal to f of x, this area. So whatever the answer is, integration from a to b y times of dx. Okay, you are taking the values on the x-axis, right? So this is y into dx. So we are taking the values on the x-axis, so take dx. Easy to understand. And what will come? That is integration a to b f of x dx is the area. Clear? So this is about the first part. When curve is in the above x-axis, that is a positive side of the x-axis. Now what will happen when the curve comes down? So this is the point again, the curve is meeting the x-axis at A and B. Okay, A and B, and it is coming this area we need to find now. This is the area I need to find. Clear? Now what is the answer for this? As the curve is coming negative side, the minus indicating only about the negative side of the curve. This coming on the negative side. Okay, so this is a curve, this is coming in the negative side. Okay, Nana. So what is this answer? Integration a to b f of x dx. Because negative of this negative curve is negative value. As the answer is area cannot be in negative terms, but this minus is indicating only with the negative side of the x-axis. Okay, this is negative part. The curve is coming in the, always you can see when you draw a curve, as we know that if you take the x values, the values coming on this horizontal line, and this curve indicating about this graph indicating about the curve, what we take? You take either sine, cos, x. Suppose this is x. Okay, let me take y is equal to x. Okay, x square. Let us see how the answer we will get here now. So y is equal to x square, right? Now the area between 2 and 3 I want to find. So integration of 2 to 3 x square dx. So this is x cube by 3 from 2 to 3. So 1 by 3 times of 27 minus 8, 19 by 3. Suppose this is coming in the negative side. So suppose it is coming in the negative side. So what is the curve? Minus of 2 to 3, 2 to 3. As the curve is in the negative side, minus of x square dx. So again you will get the answer 19 by 3. Clear? If you have a confusion with this part, this negative part, clearly you can keep this as a mod integration a to b f of x dx. Why? Because the area cannot be negative, it should be positive. So you are getting confusion with the negative side, positive side. It is very easy to go with the modulus property, modulus. Okay, this is about the curve is coming with the negative side, positive side with respect to x-axis. Now let me check the another one is interesting one. When the curve is both in the negative and positive, what is the area? Suppose the curve is like this. The curve is like this. Right. It is meeting the x-axis. I want to take the area. See, so from here to from here. Okay. So what is the area now? A to B. Again. In this case, so what is our area, required area? This is our required area. This is our required area. This part. Clear. Now what is the area now? Integration A to B. As this curve is what? Y. Because this is a y equal to f of x dx. Right. Y dx. Because you are taking the values on the x-axis. Easy to remember. Taking the values on x-axis dx. Okay. Now what is the y? Don't think that array y is there, I need to do dy. Y means what is this? F of x dx. So this is integration a to b f of x dx. And what its value? This curve is intersecting the x-axis at C. Let us assume at C. Okay, Nana. Now this curve is intersecting the x-axis at C. Now what is this one, Anna? From A to B. From A to B, f of x dx. This can be written as integration A to C f of x dx plus integration C to B f of x dx. So this is the another one which is very easy to remember this one. As you know that between A and B, C is there. So what is the concept I used here? If A less than C less than B. So I can use this concept, this formula, this concept of definite integration, and I wrote like this. Is it clear, everybody? Okay. So next we see when it meets with the y-axis, what will happen? Okay, Nana. Now with the y-axis, again you can see the curve is, suppose the curve is intersecting with the y-axis. So this is the area I need to find here now. So this is the curve meeting the y-axis at A and B. So this is y-axis, right? A and B. So what should I do? This is a curve. This is nothing but x equal to g of y. Now the area is what, Nana? From A to B, x into dy. What is the x, Nana? Integration A to B, g of y dy is the formula for this. If it is coming in the negative side, again we have a minus of g of y. So don't think that if you are keeping the minus, you are getting the negative answer. If you keep minus also, the answer will come as a positive answer. Still you are confused with the minus part, so keep a modulus in objective part, so it is a very easy to find it. After finding the answer, keep a mod for that, so that you will get a positive value for the area. Okay, as the some applications are same as you are getting with the x-axis, same part will come for the y-axis also. Now the most important between next one I am telling here, that is area bounded between two curves. Okay, area bounded between two curves. This is very important. Okay, so why this is important? Because we don't know, we want to find the curves upper or lower, what it is coming, either positive or negative. With one curve we can decide easily, but when two curves are intersecting with each other, it is very difficult to find it. So we will make it a simple in here. Okay, what is this one? Let us see the diagram. like this. There are two curves. There are two curves intersecting like this. Okay, Nana. So what is this one? This is a curve y is equal to this is a curve y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x, and this is a curve. This is a curve y is equal to g of x. Y is equal to g of x. Now what is the area I want to find here? So I want to, these two curves are intersecting at these two places, means this is a point, some point A, x value is A, y value is point of intersection of these two, and here the x value is B. Okay, let us see that some A comma some point here, and B comma some point here. So some point is this one, P and Q. Okay, so they intersected like this at these two places. Now how to find the answer here? How to find the answer here? What is the area I want to find? It is very clear that I want to find this area. This area, clear. So now first what I am doing now, the area bounded by the curve f of x. See, this is the area bounded by the curve f of x with what? With x-axis. With x-axis. This is the area bounded by the curve with the x-axis. Okay, from that what I need to do now? From that I need to find remove the area bounded by the curve g of x. So what is the area bounded by g of x with x-axis? This part. This part. This is the area bounded by the curve g of x. This is the area. Clear? This is the area I want to remove. Now you can see what is the area left. I removed this one. So you can see this. I removed totally this part. This part. So now what I am getting now after this? So I removed this part entirely. Okay. So now tell me what is the area I am getting here. So this is the area. What I require? Area between two curves. So first what we are doing? Integration from A to B. What I am doing here? I am taking the entire area by f of x. From that I am removing the area of g of x with x-axis. The same is happening with the y-axis, again same. Only the differentiation comes dy. Okay, so for this very important and useful formula, what I am doing, I am writing here. You can use this formula. No need to see like this. So I told how this formula is coming from area of f of x. Remove the area of g of x. What with the x-axis? Okay. If the curves are lying towards the y, same do with the y-axis. So what is this area? Integration a to b y upper minus y lower of dx or dy. This is the most useful formula for the area, finding the area. Okay, still if you are confused with this, finding a area upper lower array, what is this upper, what is this lower, I want to find, how can I find? Means take anything and keep a mod. Suppose you need to take f minus z, but you don't know, you took g minus f. So do take mod for this or keep mod for this. After the complete calculation, you can keep a modulus which saves time for the mains. Now the same thing what will happen here with the curve comes in the towards the downside. Okay, how it comes? So as you understand, so first what we are doing, we are finding the area of this curve with the x-axis, means the f of x area. From this what I am removing? I am removing the area made the curve with the x-axis. Clear? Now the curve is towards, when coming down, what is the formula? So curve coming towards the negative part. What is the negative part here? So the curves are like this and like this. Okay, So what is this, Nana? This is f of x and this is g of x. Clear again? Now what is the next one, Nana? See, the two curves are intersecting with the x-axis from here to here at a parts A and B. Clear? So what is this one? So this total area, again the same, this total area made with the x-axis with the f of x curve with the x-axis. From this you remove this part. What is this part? As you know that this is a part, this lines is the area made with the g of x made with the x-axis. So might be you getting doubt, same thing is doing with the negative side, means this is a more negative. So what is this one? Integration a to b. So here what is this one? F of x minus g of x dx.